Hey everyone! Welcome back to Earn Smart with Sommychacha. Today, I'm sharing 5 easy ways you can make your first $100 using free AI tools. Let's go.
Number 1, create content for others. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, or social media captions for clients on Fiverr or Upwork. Just tell the AI what niche you're writing about. Boom, instant content ready to sell.
2, design with AI. Go to Canva's AI tools or ideogram.ai. Create logos, posters, or YouTube thumbnails. People pay $10 to $50 per design, so 5 quick gigs and you're past $100.
3, sell AI-generated images. Use Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator to make beautiful digital art, t-shirts, or stickers. Upload them to Redbubble or Etsy templates. When they sell, you earn passive income.
4, make YouTube shorts. Use Pictory.ai or CapCut AI to turn trending AI scripts into videos. Post daily shorts about money, motivation, or tech. YouTube pays when your channel grows. 5, generate professional versions, then sell the service on social media or freelancing sites. It's quick, simple, and profitable.
If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Earn Smart with Sommychacha, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications.